Hello and welcome to today's video, the ABC 30-day challenge. What I will be doing today is this little bird here, what you can see. Now I'm going to first of all draw it and show you how to draw a basic bird very simply, and then I'm going to do a speed painting of this particular reference image. So let's get started with our drawing and how to do that. I'm just going to minimize the bird a little bit so we've got some space, and I'll put it up there. So first thing you want to do is I'm going to draw a square, and they're only rough, these basic shapes, because if you want to do something complex you need to create the basic shapes first. So I've created a basic square. I'm going to cut it in half like that and create a 45-degree angle like that. In this bit here I'm going to go like that to take up like 2/3 of the square. After that I'm going to, at this point, do another circle that takes up the last third. Now I'm going to take a point from there to a point there. I'm going to curve it round like that, and pretty much similar at this point. I'm going to go from there to about there, but I'm going to go curve up and then curve round, and we're almost getting a bird-like shape now. So we're going to come round so far, and we're going to come back to here, and we're bringing a line like that, bring it so far out, and then we're going to come up, but we only need it to go so far. You can take it right up if you want like that, just to make sure. We're going to then come back to this line here, and dependent on the bird is where your wings are going to be. I'm going to come around a little bit like that, then almost straight, and then bring it to a tip like that. This bit here can then form into there. The only things you need to then do is go, I bet I've not left enough space, is your legs. That's the body done. Now details, we've got a potential spot there for the beak, so just put a line there to represent how long you want the beak, and it's a little triangle that goes like that, and maybe another triangle that goes slightly less. But that centre point's an interesting point, so bring that a line across there, and that where that point reaches that point, a little circle, and there you go, you've got a basic bird. That's enough for you to be able to adjust and look at your actual bird and say, well, if you're looking at the reference image, this bird is more rounded like that, and you can make adjustments, can't you, dependent on what type of bird it is, and it's got that area that goes like that. And this works for quite a lot of birds, so you try this and see how you feel about doing a bird drawing once you've had a go at doing this. But now we're going to move on to a drawing that I've already prepared, and we're going to do a very quick, fast painting. Thank you for watching this part of the video. I'll leave you in the capable hands of the speed painting, and see you in the next video. Bye. So I'm just putting the finishing touches to the image now, and that's the picture virtually done, and I hope you've been able to enjoy this and take something away from it, and I'll just say bye for now.